Do you ever wonder why our joints pop? Nope, it's not your bones grinding. It's actually gas bubbles in your joint fluid. When you stretch or twist, the space inside the capsule suddenly increases, lowering the pressure. That drop makes tiny gas bubbles form, and the popping sound is created when those bubbles appear. Your joints are basically farting underwater. This is called cavitation, and the same thing even happens in scuba diving and car engines. Popping your knuckles does not cause arthritis. The worst it might do is make your grip weaker. So unless you're planning a career in professional handshaking, you're safe.